I just want to do a little video instruction on ClickView. If you go to dashboard, you'll find a little ClickView icon down here, ClickView Online. Simply click on it and magically you will be signed in. ClickView is sort of like a, let's call it an educational YouTube. Loads and loads and loads of videos. Let's say precisely 29,689 videos have been uploaded or recorded by other schools. So you can actually search by categories. There's more advanced searching if you go to Albert, and you can get down to really specific sort of searches to narrow down what it is that you want. There's a wonderful thing about ClickView that we've just turned on in our NAC server. So if a video is in library, then it will stream in class. When you're putting it up on your whiteboard, it'll stream in class no matter how slow the internet is going. The videos here are actually saved on site at NAC, and they come through our Wi-Fi, and boom, you can watch them in class, and it'll actually work. If you're trying to watch things from Exchange, which is where all of the schools share their video content, if you try to watch things on Exchange, it's actually coming through our internet up over the mountain through that little internet kind of satellite dishy thing, whatever it is. And if the Wi-Fi in the school is going slow because everybody's using the Wi-Fi, the internet, it will barely work. You'll have the video loading, it's loading and loading, and you just get that spinning wheel of death, and you eventually give up and you go, ClickView, you are dead to me. So what we need to do is search for videos here on Exchange, and then we want to get them imported onto the library so that they are stored at NAC, and they'll be super fast to watch in class. And this ClickView becomes a really powerful tool in that respect. So there's a simple little search bar up here, and there's also Albert. I'm not going to go into Albert because it's a little bit more complex, but you're clever, it's intuitive, you'll work it out. Let's say I'm looking for Heaven and Earth. I've just pretended that I've typed that in. Wow, here's a really cool series that if you're teaching comparative religion studies, I think Mr. Mitchell might be doing that. Let's click on it. So let's imagine that you have watched this video. You go, wow, this is exactly what my students need in class. This will help me do blah, 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 all those good educational sort of things. You need to get it from Exchange to library. So simple. Simply scroll down, push to publisher, and all you need to do is click on push to publisher and wheels will turn. And at the end of the day, our IT support, wonderful people, will get little notifications, and overnight they just download all of the content to our local server. The next day, you will magically be able to watch that in class no matter how slow the internet is through ClickView Online. Let's say you come in the next day and you're like, oh my goodness, I can't find that fantastic video. Well, you should have really come to add a playlist. Now, I've already got a couple of playlists here. This is maybe my third or fourth attempt at recording this video, so I've got some weird ones like Bob and Magic playlist. Let's go B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. I don't know why, I'm just demoing. Type in building, hit create playlist, and whoa, did you see that? Green light. It automatically added this video to that playlist. So then later on, of course, I could have chosen to add it, I could have chosen to add it 20 of these ones, but I want it in this building demo list. So the next day you come along to your class, you go into dashboard, ClickView Online, you go to your playlist up here and you will be able to find that video again. So then it'll be in library. So yep, like I said, you can watch it fast. Two other things I just want to draw your attention to. Share. Sharing is caring. You could simply click copy. That highlights this, it copies it, and then you could go into, if you happen to be a Canvas user, you could go into Canvas and look how fast our internet working. Isn't it great? It's almost fast. Yeah, that's not too bad. Dashboard. I'm just going to put it in my sandbox. In modules, video intro to Islam, edit, Control V, Control V for paste. Hit the return button, becomes a link, and scroll down here, save and publish. So then you can share that through Canvas with your students. Alternatively, if you're a Google Classroom user, you can embed. You can click on the little Google Classroom icon here. So I'm in ClickView, I've clicked on that. Clicked on that little icon there. Signing me into Google Classroom. I choose my class, Year 11 Arts, choose Action. I just want to share it with the class, make an announcement, go. I can type in the details, and students can access this at home, in class, etc. And because it's going to be stored, forgive me, in library, it'll work well. Everything's going to be good. So ClickView is awesome. Have a play with it. Make sure when you find a video that you like, you push to publisher. Our IT support geniuses will move it then to the library, and everything is then choice. Thank you. If you've got any questions, you're welcome to come and see me.